Hello students, welcome to Elga online class Unit 4 Day 8. Okay, today we will learn at word family, n word family and yet word family. Now look at the slide. Okay, the first one yet word family. See the first row: bet, ret, fet, let. Okay, see the second row: net, wet, dead, bed. Okay, now look at the board. See the first row. Okay, take one student reader, page number 80. See the first row: bed, red, fed and led. Leg. See the first word, beginning b, middle a, end d, b, a, d, bet. What is the word? Bet. B, a, d, bet. See the second word, right. Beginning r, middle a, end d, r, a, d, r, a, d, right. Next, see the third one, fed. Beginning middle a, end d, d, fed, d, fed. Okay, see the fourth one. Okay, leg. Beginning e, middle a, end d, e, a, d, leg. What is the word? E, a, d, leg. Is it clear? Now go to the second row. Now look at this line. Okay, now look at the second row: net, wet, dead, bed. Okay, now look at the board. Take a student reader. See the second row. The first row: net, wet, next dead, bed. Okay, see the first word, net. Beginning in, middle a, end d, in a, d, net, in a, d, net, wet. Beginning v, middle a, end d, v, a, d, wet, v, a, d, wet, dead. Beginning t, middle a, end d, t, a, d, t, a, d, dead. Dead. What is the word? Dead. Next, third. Beginning p, middle a, end d, p, a, d, bed, p, a, d, bed. Okay, now look at the slide. See the sentences below. Okay, now I read the sentences. You can listen carefully. See the first sentence: I have a blue bed. I have a blue bed. What is the beginning sound? Bet. B. Middle a. Sorry, a. End d. B, a, d. Bet. Okay. Second one: I like it in red. I like it in red. See the red, the word beginning r, middle a, end d, r, a, d, red. See the third sentence, I. Next, see the next word, il, a, d, late. Il, a, d, late. Hair, H-E-R, hair, to the shoe. Sorry, zoo, zoo. I led her to the zoo. Next, fourth one, is the cat a dog fed? Is the cat fed? Next, fifth one, in a dog. Ned is my friend. Ned is my friend. Okay, once again, see the sentences. First one, I have a blue bed. Second one, I like it in red. Third one, I led her to the zoo. Fourth one, is the cat fed? Is the cat fed? Fifth one, Ned is my friend. Ned is my friend. Is that clear? Now go to the next word family. The next one is N word family. Okay. See the next slide. Next we will learn N word family. Okay. See the first row. Pen, men, den, can. See the first row. Pen, men, den, can. Okay. See the second row. 10, n, ben, can. Okay. Next, see the sentences. First sentence, she has a green pen. She has a green pen. Second one, there are 10 rings. There are 10 rings. Third one, she has a can. Fourth one, the men play football. The men play football. Fifth one, a lion lives in a den. A lion lives in a den. Is that clear? Now go to the next word family. The next one, yet word family. Okay? Just small reading. Okay? Yet word family. See the first row. Net, wet, jet, pet. Net, wet, jet, pet. See the second row. Get, set, met, bet. Okay? Get, set, met, bet. Next, see the sentences below. She has a pet dog. She has a pet dog. Second one, he got wet. He got wet. Third one, I am all set. I am all set. Fourth one, have we met? Have we met? Fifth one, there is a black net. There is a black net. Okay. Now go to the next one. See the slide. Okay. This is your activity. Match words with correct pictures. Match words with correct pictures. Take worksheet 11, page number 94. Okay. They given words and pictures. You have matched the words with correct picture. See the first one. What is this? This is can. Can. Second picture, men. Second picture, men. See the third picture, your right side, bed. Okay. Fourth picture, what did you see in the fourth picture? Fed. Fed. F-E-E-D. Fed. Okay. Okay. Next one, last picture, fifth one, the boy holding the dog belt. What is this? Pet. Okay. Now I read the words. Okay. Listen carefully. The first word, F-E-D, fed. Next word, pet. Next word, pet. Third one, men. Third one, men. Fourth one, ken. Fourth one, ken. Next one, bed. Next one, bed. Okay. Now show the answer. Okay. Now look at the next slide. This is display your answer. This is correct answer. Okay. First one, where is the ken? Find the word H-E-N, ken. So they marked arrow. Next, men. Second picture, men. M-E-N, men. They draw line. Next, third one, bet. B-E-D, bet. They draw line. Next one, fed. F-E-D, fed. They draw line. Last one, pet. P-E-T, pet. So they also draw line. Okay, this is the correct answer. Okay, this is your activity. Don't forget. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Whole words. What is the next session? Whole words. See the next slide. Okay, previous class we learnt these 5 whole words. The first one, many. Second one, she. Third one, wants. Fourth one, goes. Fifth one, to. Okay. Now see the next slide. This is your activity. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences whole. You have circled these 5 whole words. Many, she, wants, goes, to. Okay. Read the sentence and find the whole words and you can circle it. Is that clear? Now take your worksheet, the same page 94, worksheet 11. Okay. Now look at the board. See the first sentence. She goes to school. Do you see any whole words in this sentence? Yes, very good. There are 2 whole words. First one, she. Next one, goes. Is that clear? Now go to the next sentence. See the next sentence. B1, Manoj wants a blue pen. Manoj wants a blue pen. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Which word? Yes, that word is wants. So you can circle it. Is that clear? Now go to the third one. C1. I am too sad. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Especially these 5 whole words. Do you see any whole words? Yes, very good. Which word? Too. So you can circle it. Is that clear? Now go to the fourth one. Raj has many cans. Raj has many cans. Do you see any whole words in this sentence? Very good. Which word? Many. Yes, we can circle it. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Next one. Seema goes to the garden. Seema goes to the garden. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Which word? Yes, that word is goes. You can circle it. Is it clear? Now go to the next one. Rahul wants a red hat. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Yes, very good. Which word? That word is wants. So you can circle it. Now go to the next one. Sujata goes to a tree. Sujata goes to a tree. She likes it. She likes it. Do you see any whole words in these two sentences? Yes, very good. Which words? Goes and she. Goes and she. You can circle two whole words. First one goes, next one she. Now go to the next one. Sita wants to eat ice cream. Sujata wants to eat an ice cream. Ice cream. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? She wants to eat an ice cream. There are two whole words in this sentence. Sorry, one. Sorry students, only one. That one is wants. That one is wants. So you can circle it. Is that clear? Okay. Now look at the slide. See the next slide. This slide. So the answer. Okay. The first one answer is she and goes. You can circle the two whole words. The other one is she and goes. Second, B1, you can circle the whole word wants. Next one, two. D1, many. E1, goes. F1, wants. G1, goes and she. Last one, wants. Okay. This is your activity. Okay. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Now go to the next session, reading comprehension. The previous class we also read the story Be Friends with Your Tree. Okay. The title of the story Be Friends with Your Tree. Who is the author? Komal Ramchandani. Who are the characters in this story? Only one character. That character is, who is the character? Sujata. Okay. Sujata. Okay. When does Sujata go to tree? Swing, eat fruits. Next. Yeah. Rest. Climb. Next. Think. Okay. Now given time for you, read the story yourself. Okay. Now I count the 5, you read the first page. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay? Now I read this first page. Listen carefully. Be friends with your tree. Written by Komal Ram Chantani. Illustrations by Higdi Benha. Sujata has many tree friends. Sujata has many tree friends. Okay. Now go to the next page. Okay. Now I count 10. You have read 2 and 3 pages. Okay. Now start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. See the second page, students. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. See the third page. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. See the next page. Okay. Now I count 10. You can read these 2 pages, 4 and 5. Read yourself, students. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. See the fourth page. When she wants to climb, she goes to the tree. She goes to a tree. See the fifth page. When she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. Okay. See the next page. Okay, start. Now I count 10. You can read the story yourself. Okay. Especially 2 pages, 6 and 7. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. See the sixth page. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. See the seventh page. You can be friends with a tree too. You can be friends with a tree too. Okay, students, what is the moral of the story? Love nature. Okay, love nature and save the nature. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Okay, vocabulary words. From this story already we learnt. Okay, just small recap. Swing, climb, think, rest. Okay, swing, climb, think, rest. See the next slide. Match words with correct pictures. Okay, vocabulary words, they given pictures also. You can match the words with correct picture. See the first picture. What is this? Think. Sujata, think. Second picture. What did you see? Swing. Okay. Next one. Third one. Rest. Fourth one. Climb. Fourth one. Climb. Okay. Now, so the next slide. This is answer. Okay. The first one, think. Second one, swing. Next one, rest. Last one, climb. Last one, climb. Okay. Now go to the next one. Okay. Now look at the slide carefully, students. This is grammar part. This is your grammar part. Rahul and Rani go to a toy shop. Rahul and Rani go to a toy shop. Listen carefully. Rahul and Rani go to a toy shop. See the next slide. What can you tell about the naming words? What can you tell about the naming words? என்னென்ன வந்து நேமிங் வேர்ட்ஸ் நீ சொல்லுவ, என்னென்ன நேமிங் வேர்ட்ஸ்னு நீ சொல்லுவ. நேமிங் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஆல்ரெடி we learnt in the previous class. Name of a person, place, thing or animal. Okay. What can you tell about the naming words? The answer is Rahul, Rani and toy shop. Yes or no? Okay, now see the next slide. But the toy shop is not a specific toy shop. The toy shop is not a specific toy shop. It can be any toy shop. இப்படிதானே toy shop na specific car toy shop, elephant, aeroplanes அப்படினு இருக்கா? No, it is any toy shop. அது வந்து any toy shop கூட இருக்கலாம். See the next one. Rahul and Rani are proper naming words. Rahul and Rani are proper naming words. Toy shop is a common naming word. Okay. Rahul and Rani are proper naming words. Toy shop is a common naming word. Okay. Today the grammar part we will learn proper naming word and common naming word. Okay. See the next slide. What can you see here? What can you see here? There are 4 boys. 4 boys. So the common naming word is boys. The common naming word is boys. These boys have names. Raj, Ram, Sam, Tom. These boys have names. These names are proper naming words. Okay. Boys is a common naming word. boys. But these boys have names. Raj, Ram, Sam, Tom. So this is called proper naming words. Okay, see the next slide. Okay, this is the definition of common and proper naming words. The first one, common naming word. Common naming word. Any person, place, animal or thing. Any person, place, animal or thing. This is common naming word. Next, proper naming word. Specific name of person. Rani, Sita. Okay. Specific name of person, place, animal or thing. See the examples. What is the difference between common and proper naming words? See, the first one, girl. Girl na ellarum solradhu. But specific Sujata, that is proper naming word. Girls. Okay, girl. That is common. But specific Sujata, that is proper naming word. Is that clear? See the next example. School, all school, government school, VDL school, Lakshmi school. Okay, all school, that is common. That is we say all school, but specific VDL school, that is specific only we say VDL school. That is proper naming word. Okay, school is a common naming word, but VDL school, that is proper naming word. Okay, next one, dog, that is common. Dog. Pronoun, specific pronoun, that is proper naming word. Is that clear? Next, chocolate, all variety of chocolate, but specific Cadbury, that is proper naming word. Chocolate common, but Cadbury specific, so that one is proper naming word. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes. Sort the pictures by writing the names in the correct column. Okay. Sort the pictures by writing in the correct column. The column actions words, naming words. So you have to divide into column. You have to write the words in the action words and next naming words. Next you will find the naming words and action words. What is the meaning action words? That is describe action. That is describe action. Okay. Now read the first row. Swing. That is swing. Action or naming. Swing. Moonjal. That is very good. Action word. So you have to write in the action word column. Okay. Next, Sujata, naming word or action word. Yes, that is name of a person. So you have to write in the naming words box. Next, rest. This is naming words or action words. Rest எடுக்கிறது என்னது ஆக்ஷனா இல்ல நேமிங்கா ஓய்வு எடுக்கிறது that is action word. You have write in the action word column. Next, think. This is action word or naming word. Think பண்றது யோசிக்கிறது. That is action word. So you have write in the action word box. Next, climb. This is action or naming. Very good. Climb, that is action. Maram ஏறுதல். So you have write in the action word box. Next, tree. Action or naming? Naming. So you have write in the naming word box. Okay. Now I show that next slide, that is answer. That is answer. Swing, think, climb, rest. These words are fallen in the action words. Okay, Sujata and trees are fallen in the naming words. Okay, this is the answer. Students, today class, the phonics session, we learnt head word family, end word family and yet word family, and whole word session we have activity also, and the reading comprehension session, write the story and recap the 4 vocabulary words, and we have activity also, and in the grammar part we learnt common and proper naming words. I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay, thank you students. Thank you students, take care.